Thousands of little raindrops are falling down from the clouds. There is a naughty raindrop that has jumped onto Quacky's nose.
Little raindrop, where are you from?
Where is the little raindrop hiding?
I found you! Little raindrop, I've seen you! Here, you are here!
It flew out and slid down the drain pipe, and it was gone.
Where did it go?
Catch up with the little raindrop with Quacky. Eh? The little raindrop went into the drain pipe. The drain pipe is connected to the drain. Where is it going? The little raindrop ran down the drain into the river.
I found you! I had a great time today, but I want to go back to the sky. Can you help me? Sure, but how to get there?
Have a try. What can help the little raindrop return to the sky? Big leaf. The leaf has fanned the little raindrop even further away. Branch.
Leave it to me!
Eh? The little raindrop has fallen again. Sun. Help the little raindrop collect sunshine. The sun warmed the little raindrop up. It gets hotter and becomes light water vapor. The warm sunshine can help the little raindrop get back to the sky.
I don't want you to go. When will I see you again? Don't be upset. When I get back, I will give you the most beautiful cloud in the world. I'll wait for you. Please don't forget that.
Swipe upward till the water vapor has risen higher. It's cold. High up in the sky, they are frozen into water droplets and tiny ice crystals. Look, they've gathered into a cloud. Show Quacky where his friend the little raindrop is now.
Look, it's a cloud with my image. It must be made by the little raindrop. Quack, 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 quack.
How can the little raindrop get back to the ground? Wow! By colliding, the little raindrop has become bigger. It's getting heavier.
Hey, Quacky! Quack? Little raindrop, why are you back? I went back to the sky and met lots of water droplets. We collided with each other and became big and heavy. Then we fell and turned into rain. Oh, I see. Quack, 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 quack. Great! Go tell your mom and dad why it rains.
Where does rainwater come from and what does it do? Drag the little cloud and have a look.
The pond has brought a lot of water vapor. The rainwater can water flowers, grass, and trees. The dark cloud has absorbed a lot of water vapor. Drag the little cloud and have a look. Thunder and lightning, how dangerous! Alas, it's so cold. The rainwater has become snow. The plants have brought much water vapor. After raining, there will be a beautiful rainbow in the sunshine. Rainwater can gather into a small pond. Pitter patter, it is raining. But Mom says that rainwater is dirty. We can make the rainwater clean. Really? Let's make a rainwater filter. Tap and see what we need. A pair of scissors. Plastic bottle. Gauze and rope. Materials kit. Rainwater. Let's start. Step 1. Attach the gauze to the mouth of the plastic bottle. It's done. Step 2. Cut the plastic bottle in the middle. Step 3. Turn the mouth of the bottle upside down and look, we've made a funnel at last. Put all the cotton, corn kernels, charcoal bits, small stones. The rainwater filter has been finished. Now, let's try it out. Pour the rainwater into the filter. Watch and see if the rainwater becomes cleaner. Wow! The rainwater filter is fantastic! I want to taste the purified water! We can't drink the rainwater, but we can use it to mop the floor, water flowers, and flush the toilet. That is so much fun! Hello, everyone. I'm Quacky. Welcome to Is It True? Let's start answering questions. Here are the buttons. If you think it's true, press the green button. If you think it's false, press the red button. Let's begin. There are many water droplets hidden in the cloud. Is it true? Tap the button and choose your answer. Here is the answer. This is true. Lots of water droplets and ice crystals gather together and turn into the cloud. Next question. When it rains, it means the cloud is crying. Is it true? Here is the answer. It is false. Water droplets in the clouds collide with each other and become big water drops. When the air can't hold water drops, they will fall as rain. Next question. The rain in the sky comes from the earth. Is it true? Here is the answer. This is true. The water on the ground rises into the sky as water vapor, turns into the cloud, and falls as rain. Next question. It won't rain when the sun shines. Is it true? Here is the answer. It is false. It will rain too when the sun shines, because sometimes high winds will blow the rain from under the dark cloud miles away to the sun. This is called sun showers. Next question. The dark cloud is transformed from the white cloud. Is it true? Here is the answer. This is true. When there are more and more water drops in the white cloud, it'll be hard for the sunshine to penetrate the cloud. Then the white cloud turns into the dark cloud. End of Q&A. Go quiz your mom and dad.